how to delete Facebook page posts all at once. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and tap just Facebook right here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just double check if the Facebook app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just open up the Facebook, and as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my menu at the below right corner, and from here just go ahead and onto your settings gear at the top right. And from here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down till you find the activity log in your activity, and basically you're gonna see all of your activity across Facebook. Now you're gonna see personal information, connections, or security login information, apps and website of Facebook, then preferences and logged information. So basically click your Facebook activity, scroll a little bit down, you're gonna find the second option, which is posts, and here you're gonna see manage posts, and you're gonna be able to see all of your posts within Facebook, basically, right? And basically if you want to filter it, you know, to categories right here, let's say your posts, photos and videos, check-ins, your posts on others timelines. In my case, I'm gonna just select the second one, and basically what I'm gonna do here, if you want to delete it all, just hit all and basically hit trash right here and just click move to trash. All right, and basically if you went to your trash, you're gonna be able to see all of the posts that you actually deleted right here. Okay, and basically deleted for permanently. Basically, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.